Hello friends and potential friends. Well, here's something interesting. You see that little knob right there? Looks like this pineapple plant is already starting to try to put out a new pup. In fact, there's another one right over here. Right there. And there's one more right over here. Don't think I've seen that before. I mean, it's growing a fruit and it's already trying to put on, it looks like, three pups. I haven't seen that on any of the other pineapples yet either, so we'll keep an eye on it. I'll see you next time.